In this video today, we will see how to copy the contacts that are present in Google Drive to your phone. Now for that one, you should have contacts saved to your Google Drive. If you want to know how to save your contacts to your Google Drive account, then you can click on the I button at the top in order to look for that video. So once you are sure that you have contacts saved to your Google Drive account, what you do, open Google Drive application. Now scroll down, and if you have contacts uploaded to your Google Drive account, you can see contacts.vcf file. So if you want to copy the contact from the Google Drive to your phone, then what you do, open the file and it will show you how many contacts you are going to import. So if you want to save these contacts to your phone, then what you do, tap on save, and all the contacts that are present will be saved to your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.